In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Warframe for free on your PC. So what you want to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to the search bar and search for Steam. We are going to the official Steam platform, and once you are there, search for the game Warframe. Now select it. After that, make sure you are logged in to your account and go a little bit down, and there you will find the free to play Warframe game. Now what you need to do is to click on this option and make sure you are logged into your account, and this game will be downloaded for free into your game library. After that, you are able to play this game for free on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!